Developing a common vision is essential for effective leadership. This video explores a framework based on 3 key elements: situations, interpretations, and responses. To move from reactive problem-solving to deliberate leadership, we use 3 lenses for every warning sign. First, analyze the situation, interpret the underlying cause, and finally determine a targeted response. Scenario 1. Deliverables are complete, but value is uncertain. The interpretation is that finished work was mistaken for proof of value. The response is to revalidate against the business case. Scenario 2 addresses projects losing ground. When sponsor support weakens, the project is deprioritized. You must re-engage the sponsor and reconnect the project to current enterprise priorities. This presentation is part of a complete e-learning solution. For more information, visit pmprep.de or reach out to the author via email. Scenario 3. Milestones are met, but direction is contested. Stakeholders have different definitions of success. Surface these criteria and align them with the project's intended outcome. Scenario 4 involves environmental shifts. When the world moves but the plan doesn't, you face a risk amplifier. Use SWOT and PESTLE to recalibrate your vision. Scenario 5 highlights a team that delivers, but lacks connection to the quote, why. The vision isn't embedded. Use structured facilitation in retrospectives to correct this drift. Scenario 6 addresses recurring misalignment. If misunderstandings return, leadership is likely only treating symptoms. Use after-action reviews and appreciative inquiry to find the real cause. To surface root causes, use these 4 systematic questions. What was intended? What happened? Why the difference? And what will you change? Scenario 7. Portfolio priorities have shifted. You must reassess your project against these new priorities to confirm if the strategic justification still holds. Scenario 8. Individual effort becomes transactional. Commitment wanes when the why is lost. Stabilize conditions first, then reconnect individuals to the project's greater purpose. Different team members need different motivation. Whether they respond to challenge, influence, or collective belonging, tailor your reinforcement strategy to what drives them. Scenario 9. Velocity is stable, but satisfaction is falling. Priorities have drifted. Audit your backlog and reestablish the intended outcomes as your guiding principle. Across these scenarios, we see 4 recurring failure patterns: output-outcome disconnect, strategic drift, vision not embedded, and symptomatic treatment. Recognizing these helps you act faster. Appreciative inquiry focuses on building on what works. It is a powerful, complementary discipline to after-action reviews, helping teams identify and amplify the practices that already sustain understanding and success. Knowing when to escalate versus when to correct is essential for effective governance. You can resolve internal issues like team motivation or backlog drift yourself, but major shifts in strategy or sponsor support require formal escalation. Governance leaders should proactively ask key questions. Is the project still solving the right problem? Do stakeholders agree on success? Is the team connected to the purpose? And are outcomes being tracked? To deepen your learning, explore the full PMP e-learning course for expert insights, video lessons, and practical training. Visit pmprep.de or contact the author directly at the provided email address.